Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is used to define graphics for the web. We can add SVG tag in an HTML page. Let's see how to do it. I have over here svg demo.html file, and I'm going to add HTML tag and body tag, and the body and tag. HTML and tag. And inside the body tag I can use SVG canvas. So this is gonna be over here, SVG start tag and SVG end tag. With the SVG tag I can set the attribute width such as 400 and height set to 60. Now we have a SVG canvas, and inside it we are going to add rectangle and circle. To add a rectangle shape, I'm going to use rect tag and set x value to 0. These are the coordinates, and y set to 0, and width can be set to 50, and height set to 50. And if you want to fill with some color, we can add that by setting a fill attribute with the value just green, and then we need to end this rect tag for rectangular. And now I'm going to add a circle. Circle takes 4 attributes. Just gonna remove the space of this, just a new line. And okay, and now I'm going to add a circle. These are all being added inside SVG tag. So it's gonna be circle, and for circle need to set centers, x positions, and that will be 90 for us horizontally, and for center vertical position cy I'm going to set it for 25. For circle we need to set a radius too, so I'm going to set 25 as radius value, and we can fill it with color, with red color. And I'm going to end the circle tag. At the end I'm going to add a text. We also can add a text, so it's gonna be text tag txt and x coordinate such as 260 and y 25 font size for the text, I will set it to 20 pixel. Font size set to 20 pixel. And now I need to set the color we want to fill it with. So I'm going to fill with red or yellow. Let's try yellow first. Yellow. And the text that we want to show, go back up. After this tag, and inside the text tag I will write my YouTube channel name, a sim code, and just going to save it. And then we are going to open this file, SVG demo.html. In Chrome, you can select any browser of your choice. And here is the output in our browser. So this way you can use SVG to draw graphics or shapes. I will change the color of this as some code, so make it some other color. Let's try black. And refresh our file, our browser. Now it looks much better. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.